Hello friends, let us see another gate question. Let us say example number 2. What is given data? What is the ultimate capacity in kilonewton of the pile group shown in the figure, assuming the group to fail as a single block? So in general, how we'll find out the capacity of a pile group? First, we'll say whether it is a n times the capacity of the independent pile or else capacity of in group. So what they're asking, we have to find out by imagining your group is failing as a single block. That means indirectly they are asking us to find the group capacity. That means they are asking us to find the capacity of a pile group by assuming the block shear failure, isn't it? So what about the width? They are given center to center distance. So what about the width? Nothing but a b. That will be equal to, what is the total width from here to here? In general, it is x minus 1 into s plus d. What about x? Along the direction, how many number of piles are there? 2. That means 2 minus 1 into what is the center to center distance? 1.2 plus what is the diameter? Did they mention diameter? Diameter is 0.4. So 1.2 plus 0.4, that will be equal to 1.6 meter. It is a clay or which type of soil? It is a purely clay soil. So what about the capacity in group? That will be equal to end bearing resistance. What is end bearing resistance? That is nothing but a CNC into AB plus what about the frictional resistance? That will be equal to alpha into surface area AS into frictional resistance, let us say QS. Now what about the C value given? Cohesion, whatever it may be, it is 40. So that will be equal to 40. Did they have given NC value? No. That means assume it as 9. What about area of if it is failing by group? 1.6 meter. So if it is like a square shape, so what is the square area? 1.6 square. Plus what about the adhesion factor? 0.4. And what about the shear resistance? Again it is 40 into what about the surface area? So if it is in the form of square, what about the circumference length? Each sides we are having 1.6 meter as it is a square. That's why I will say 4 into 1.6. Into what about the length of the pile? 10 meter. If you solve this, you will get the capacity of a pile group, that will be is equal to 3481.6. 3481.6 kilonewtons. Answer is there? Yeah. D is the correct option. Suppose if it is a numerical, you have to enter. You have to see whether they are asking capacity in Newton, kilonewton, or whether they are asking in meganewton. Corresponding to the unit, you have to enter the answer. If it is directly, if you have to pick the answer directly, we can idealize in our mind, okay, whether they are in kilonewton, meganewton. But if they are asking a numerical answer type, we have to see the unit. Understood? Suppose if I want to this in express this in meganewton, what is the answer? 3.481 meganewton. So is there a difference, right? If we enter 3481.6, if you enter 3.481, there is so much of difference. So if you are entering numerical type questions, please make sure in which unit you are representing the answer. Okay, thank you.